Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find x value. Solution: 25 minus x square in whole square root plus 35 minus x square in square root equal to 9. Now 25 minus x square in square root equal to, we are moving this right hand side, so 9 minus 35 minus x square in square root. Now we are going to take square on both sides, so 25 minus x square square root whole square equal to 9 minus 34 minus x square in square root whole square. Now we are going to apply this algebra formula here. A minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. This formula we are going to apply here. So 25 minus x square in square root whole square equal to, applying this formula here, so we'll get 9 square plus square root of 34 minus x square whole square minus 2 times of 9 times of square root of 34 minus x square. Now this square and square root will cancel each other. Same way this square and square root will cancel each other. Now we have 25 minus x square equal to 9 square plus 34 minus x square minus, this is 18 square root of 34 minus x square. Now this is 25 minus x square equal to, this is 81 plus 34 minus x square minus 18 square root of 34 minus x square. 25 minus x square equal to 81 plus 34 is 150 minus x square minus 18 square root of 34 minus x square. Now we are moving this left hand side, so 25 minus x square, this is minus 150 plus x square equal to minus 18 square root of 34 minus x square. Now this x square and minus x square cancel each other. Here 25 minus 150 will minus 90 equal to minus 18 square root of 34 minus x square. Divide by minus 18 on both sides. Here minus 18. Now simplify here, you get 5 here. This minus 18 cancels, this minus 18. Now we have 5 equal to square root of 34 minus x square. Now we are going to take square on both sides, so 5 square equal to square root of 34 minus x square whole square here. Now 5 square is 25 equal to this square and square root will cancel each other. Now we have 34 minus x square. Now we are moving this minus x square left hand side and this 25 on right hand side. So we'll get x square equal to this 34 minus 25. Now x square equal to 34 minus 25 is 9. Now x square, we are moving this left hand side, minus 9 equal to 0. So x square minus 3 square equal to 0. Now we are going to apply this formula here. A square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get x plus 3 x minus 3 equal to 0. Now we have two equations. One is x plus 3 equal to 0. Other one is x minus 3 equal to 0. From this equation, x equal to minus 3. From here, x equal to 3. These are the possible answer in given problem. Now we are going to verify this with the equation that 25 minus x square in square root plus 34 minus x square in square root equal to 9. Now 25 minus, now we are going to apply this as plus and minus 3 whole square in square root plus 34 minus plus or minus 3 whole square equal to 9. Now 25 minus this is 9 in square root plus 34 minus this is also 9 in square root equal to 9. Now this 25 minus 9 is 16 in square root plus here 34 minus 9 is 25 in square root equal to 9. Now the square root of 16 is 4 plus square root of 25 is 5 equal to 9. Now 4 plus 5 is 9 equal to 9. So LHS equal to RHS. This is verified. Thanks for watching this video.